restarted OBS. I've not loaded anything else up here, so we got no music. We're going to be quiet for a little bit. How's the sound now, kids? I have a feeling you'll be able to tell me before I find out myself. I have a feeling it's probably fixed. That seems to be what is happening. When I restart, yeah, sound is fine. Yeah, it's like something in OBS is killing the sound midway through. That's what it looks like to me. Is there a way to debug your audio output device drivers to see what is being sent through it? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's the sound in my ears is fine. I'm not hearing any sense of lag or anything along those lines. And I'm getting, the signal I'm getting is the same signal that is going into the Twitch mix in, which goes to OBS. So it's either between my sound card that's labeled Twitch mix in, or it's OBS is the problem. It seems like it's OBS because unplugging the sound card and replugging it back in, it's fine. Also, next time this happens, if it happens again, I'll make a recording and play it back and see how it sounds. Because that recording is also getting what's coming from Twitch mix in. It feels like it's OBS to me, but I don't know why. Okay. All right, so let's see what we've got here. So play random sound. Play random song is where we actually go do it. We go into Safe Play MP3, return audio. If we jump in there, we're bringing in the, grabbing an HTML audio element, and we're basically, ultimately we get to this line of code here, and this one right after, and that's how we're actually playing the audio. That's how we do it. Okay? That's what's happening there. Not sure, Pudding. Historically, streamers have had issues with VM Banana. I have. In the audio pipeline, I have. Yeah, I don't use it. I've had, I tried using VM Banana and it did not solve the problem I needed. I've got external mixers over here, and that's how I'm solving my audio problems. I've got 2 sound cards plugged in externally as well. But yeah, I think the sound cards, I don't think the sound cards are failing. We can do a test to confirm that next time this happens, if it happens again. Yeah, it does. It does. I was a little nervous with it too, installing it, but research swayed my skepticism. Nope, it's not VM Banana Split. I would buy a VM Banana Pudding, VM Pudding if it existed. I bet you would, Pudding. You know, I think we all
so like you.
So like you, Pudding. I think I can speak for everyone that your passion for pudding is unrivaled and to be admired. Universal. Okay.
His passion for pudding is universal.
That's what Karen was going to say. Okay, so now music player, restore player volume. I think this is going to be, is volume there? No, volume is here. It's this dot volume is it's equal to this dot save volume. Okay, good. What else have we got? Got this one. We'll get that in a little bit. Okay. We need to pass in the active file count as a parameter. So I want to make it a parameter right here. Can I capture next reference? There it is right there. Cool. So we're going to say that active file count. Active file count. Active file count. Banana pudding would be fine. Context is everything. I agree. And I think there's one more in here. Oh, I thought there was. I don't see it though. Okay. So active file count is one of the pieces we need. We're going to need that main file name as well, because this alone won't find it. We need to get the main file name as well. Pass that in. So play random song. Oh, let's grab our the piece we're passing in. So this dot active file count. This dot active file count. This dot active file count. Good. Just distributing the responsibilities. And now we need to grab the main file name and also pass it in here. So we need like a this.main folder, like that. We'll do this. And that. And I think that's the one we need. Then a VS for variable of type string. Call it main folder. And when we get to file name, so get file name of index, I'm going to pass in main folder here as well. Like that. Any other calls? There's one right there. And now we're going to do a VS here. Right there. And then cool, we finally get this one fixed. Right here. Main folder. And then song. So I have this piece right here. And this is the file name. And for music, that makes sense, but I'm just not sure if I want to make that more flexible and change it. It's not really that necessary. The problem is that when I go into the folder the file explorer, and I bring up not here, but here, sound effects, go into like weather, then there might become a folder here called rain. And then the question is all of the pieces inside of rain, are they going to have the word song by them or something else? I don't want to change everything else to the words file. I'm not sure about this yet. We'll fix that, I guess, sometime in the future. How are we doing are we able to compile yet? Let's see if I can build. Oh, I got a problem right here, I see. Looks like I'm going to need to pass this as a parameter in, I bet. Yeah, I think we're going to have to pass it in here. Okay, so this is going to be this.volume. Hold on. Where is my volume coming from? I'm assuming it's in the crossfade player. I've got a save volume. This.volume. Why did I not see this.volume? Yeah, it's there. Okay, so why didn't I see it? Was I in a static method? Oh, that's why. Okay, so this.volume. These need to become this is down here. All right. Player set volume for active song. There's my volume going in. And there's my volume there. This now needs a volume passed into it as well, which means play random song needs a volume going into it as well. Okay, Cool, cool, cool. What else do I have? Let's just use escape to jump back and review where we've been, the changes we've made. Is that enough? Let's build again, see what happens. There's the bar right there. Build succeeded. All right, good. With the build succeeded, let's run. Is that going to be right? Did I, in my initialization, yeah, I said it was music. Cool. Oh, wait. No, there's a problem somewhere. Where's my dragon back game? Why don't I see that? Just dragon game. I don't understand what's going on. Why don't I see that? Oh, because it's not open. Is that why? Okay. Those only show me the files that are open. Okay. Let's actually start with connection. We'll find our way in. Connection has an execute sound command, which comes in here. Yeah, why did that compile? That shouldn't have worked. Now I want to say, I want to change this up a little bit to I'm going to move this into crossfade player. Okay, now I'm in crossfade player. Put that in there. So far, so good. That turns void. There. If I ever leave education to go back into industry, I'll name my company Pudding Inc. I love it. That's so fun. Okay. Static. And this needs to be static too. Okay. So now, does this one, wait, I thought this one, oh, static, needs to be static, there. Now, we're good. Okay, so now we're getting closer. Let's go back over into connection. Where were we? Execute sound command. People can say pudding stocks are insanely expensive. I'm so smart. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to come in here and I want to say crossfade player dot change player folder and I want to pass in sound command dot folder. Folder name, main folder, like this. Okay, let's go into sound command and modify it. So now we're going to take in one more string, main folder, make it public, like that. There's sound command with main folder. Let's go switch over into our D&D app and go find sound command. Let's duplicate this, whoops, and paste there. There's my main folder. That. And say this dot main folder equals main folder. Okay. Okay, so there's my sound command. Let's go look for where it's created. Change theme music. This is going to be music. Like that. Are there a bunch of these? There are. Let's go declare this as a constant. That. Okay. Let's also set this to this too, because it's not always needed. So there's our sound command for changing the theme music. So then what I want to do is go back to overlays and let's declare this, change player folder. Let's go put it out at the end of this. I'm just going to use selection increase to quickly get to the bottom of it. And I want a new static function here, so I'm going to type in uppercase F. Or actually, sorry, I already had a declaration there for me. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to go through all of our crossfade players and see if we've got a match for the main folder. Okay, so now we've got a match. Then what I want to do is actually, you know what I want to do is I want to create a new static method here that returns a new crossfade player. So that's kind of the code I want to put inside of it right there. I'm going to copy this to clipboard, come down here and type in F/ like that, and we'll say get player and pass in main folder like that. Get this code. Then we're going to say right here, we're going to say return player. And down here, we're going to say return null, RN. So there's my get player. I'm going to make that static. And then down here, we're going to call get player. So that'll get the player. And now if the player exists, then we can say player dot change one of these two. I think it's change theme. Yeah, change active theme is called from inside of there. Change theme. And the stir data is going to be the new folder name, the subfolder right there. I have a question on the for loop and get player. It says e258. Yeah, go ahead with your question. Change theme, boom, like that. What's wrong here? Why are we still have, there we go, it just took a while. For loop right here. Why don't you stop the loop if the condition is matched? Well, I kind of am. I'm stopping by calling return. That's going to get me out. Makes sense? T278? That's going to stop that loop. Once we hit return, we're out. Okay, so change player folder looks to be done. Next, I want to create, similarly, return doesn't only end the loop, but the whole function call. Yep, that's true. I want to create set volume 2 and stop the music commands inside of here as well. And these also need to take these parameters in here, like that. Now what's cool is now we've got a sound command that can independently control volumes of different looped-based players. That's what we're building here. If we've made no mistakes, if we've done this correctly, this should all work with the existing theme music player. So we just need to implement these pieces right here. So we need a new static function here. So just uppercase F right here, and I'll paste that in, set volume 2. It's going to have a main folder. And it's going to have some numeric data right here, new volume, like that. It's an early out, and I try to get out early, get out if early outs can be avoided. It's an early out, and I tried to get out if early outs can be avoided. I think I understand what you're saying. You're suggesting that instead of this, I say something like this. I have a, let me copy this to the clipboard. I come in here and I say result equals null, like that. Then down here I say result is equal to player. And then I say break. And then down here I say return result. I think you're talking about this instead, which is, some people consider this easier to read. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can do that. Either one. I like the other one. It's a little shorter. For me, when I see the return inside, it doesn't bother me, but I know there are people that don't like that, and I think part of the reason why you may not like that is because if I've got a for each in here, and inside here I've got a return, let's give it something real to for each on. Let's give it this right here. Here, the return does not exit the function. It does not exit get player. It exits this for each. Pretty sure. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we could do that. But I think the reason why this is maybe popular is because this syntax is also compatible here, and you have similar results in JavaScript. So I don't know. I'm liking, I like the other one a little bit better, but certainly we can do this. In fact, I'll keep this code like this for now. Okay. All right, down to set volume 2. We want to do the same kind of thing like this. And then we want to call down here, set volume 2, and pass in the new volume. All right, so there's that bit of code. One more to do. Stop theme music. Okay. So we need another function, stop theme music. That's going to be the main folder right there. And we're going to do the same thing there, whoops, there. Then we're going to say player.stop theme music. Okay, good, not bad. Now, let's rename some stuff, starting with theme music. Change it to stop playing, because we don't have, there's no music anymore here. Oh, and look at this, what's going on here? Act on new volume. These, I think, are now instance pieces. Okay. So, all right, let's go look for the word theme. I'm going to change it to stop playing. That's sound command type. We need to go back over here, get to sound command type. Hold on, one more time. Stop playing. Change theme. We're going to change this to change folder. Wait. Actually, hold on. Undo. I want to make sure I did a rename here. I don't think I did. All right. Now I'll rename here. Change folder. That. Come back over here and change theme to change folder. All right. Let's keep looking for theme. It's going to become change folder. This is going to become new folder. Keep searching, change active theme. Change subfolder. In an ideal world, wouldn't even, wait, I missed something here. T278 says, I would think about for or main player.main folder is not equal to main folder. Doesn't really matter, just keep going with your work. Okay, I want to actually go back and check that because you got me intrigued on that for loop. I want to go look at that again. Let's see. This is no longer going to say theme music switching. This one is going to say, do I have, where am I? What am I inside here? Crossfade player. So this dot main, is there a main folder? Oh, because I'm in a function, I can't see it. Hold on. Let's go back out here. This dot main folder. Yeah, IntelliSense doesn't do well inside of functions. Main folder, that's what I want. Even if we're passing it in here, it just doesn't get it. Talked to our devs about augmenting this, and they said, yeah, it's a difficult problem to solve for CodeRush. So switching, this is going to say music or weather or whatever. Yeah, I think it'll work. It'll also say switching weather to rain, switching weather to snow, that sort of thing. Okay. What else do I have? What do I got here? Set volume for active song. This volume. We're inside simple music player. Update needs to get the volume, I think. Have another call to update, one right down here. Surly Dev's here. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Any others? Nope, it's there. So now we're going to type in volume. We're okay. I'm going totally silent, no music, because we had some audio problems here, like 2 or 3 times today. Had to shut down the stream and restart it. Set volume for active song. Good. We're in the middle of a lot of refactoring. We've been refactoring for about an hour and a half. Is that right? Maybe 2 hours even, aside from some other tech problems, and we've not tested yet. And I really should test soon. I was searching for the word theme to show up, see if it showed up anymore. We'll call this the folder. So change subfolder. Okay, more themes. Initialize theme music player. That one is good. Totally good. And I think we're done. Are we? Stop theme music. Nope. Stop player. And what happened here? Did I fail to do the rename? Should be stop playing. It looks like let's change this momentarily to theme music. Now rename it stop playing. Okay, good. How can it be a happy Friday if I can't get some alcohol? You can't get alcohol pudding? Surly Dove says, just remember the channel can only tolerate one surly person, and I'm here now. How you doing, baby? Why don't you get your eyes into the stream here? Karen just
I'm stealing your nuts.
stole my nuts.
Is that hard for you not to comment on that?
The bot didn't do it. Surly Deb says hi, Karen.
Hello.
Surly Deb continues, by the way, to wake up in the middle of the night to watch us out on the Dragon Humber show, which is
so great.
The bot's down right now because we're in the middle of doing all of this stuff, but it's really fun to have Surly Deb on there. The Dragon Humpers is the show we're building all these special effects for and things like that. And anyway, it's great to have you here. That's why she was under the desk. Wait, what? No. No, don't trick me with your things that I start to read out loud and instantly regret.
That might be your fault.
This is a family show.
That could be your fault for not pre-reading.
Yeah, not pre-reading.
Is that scorpion bite still affecting you?
No, I don't think so. Although today I didn't feel so good. I was like, like that.
I feel too.
Like kind of like grumpy.
No,
like,
I'm not
I wanted to
grumpy.
go
I'm
back.
as pleasant as ever, but my head is a little foggy. I just had to.
You can't see my face, right? Oh, geez, we're on camera right down there.
I couldn't teach my class today because of you.
You weren't able to?
Not really. I was like running around. I was on Boo's computer, and then I would have to run in here. It was a sucky class.
Yeah, doing things live requires, like, for this show, I've got like about 20 to 30 different alarms that all go off in.
I know. I live with you. I'm aware that these alarms go off every day.
But it's to make sure that those alarms help ensure a consistency of quality, right? So that when I'm doing I start the exact same way every time. And I'm just thinking the same thing for what you do too, right?
I
for
have
your
no
teaching.
internet though.
So one of my checks is check internet, and that check occurs.
Oops.
Hey, you're way too relaxed with your rear end on my light switch right here behind you.
I just underestimate the size of my rear end.
We all did.
We all did, but nobody knew this was gonna happen.
We all did. Yeah, so one of my alarms is check internet, and that's like 40 minutes before I'm supposed to stream. That alarm goes off. So I've got, if every alarm goes off and gives me enough time to solve the problem if it fails, if the check or test fails. Does that make sense what I'm saying? So instead of checking internet at 1 minute to go, right, I check at 40 minutes. And
Do
then
you know
it
what I
goes right
like?
up. Me?
No, I like teaching in a classroom with real people.
I'm sorry about that.
Do you know how fun teaching a comedy class in real life is?
Yeah, I think it's pretty fun.
Yeah. Do you know how fun teaching a comedy class online
You're working
is?
hard, I can tell.
I'm working hard. Do you know how much I like working hard?
Yeah, I know how much. It's close to 0. I'm going to leave my avatar with the Dragon Humper support one. Okay, cool. That was awesome. Yeah, it's really changed his avatar. And it was really, I don't know if you guys could see it or not, Karen. It was like, hold on a second. Let me see if
Wasn't it lady's drawing or something?
No. He changed it to I Heart Dragon Humpers. That's what he did.
Aw, Surly.
It was so cute, and inside it was like, hold on, let me see if I can bring it up. I think I can bring it up for everybody to see. I know what I can do. Hit here, hit that button. Things have shut down since I was having tech problems. I was killing and shutting down apps and things like that.
I like how just the hairline. Honk if you hump dragons.
Well, the old one said honk if you hump dragons.
Anybody want a slice of
Yeah,
pizza?
there's text
Anybody
underneath.
Want a slice?
Yeah. This is what it is. I don't know if you guys saw this or not. Hold on. Why am I not seeing it? That's what I need to turn on right there. Whoops. Looks like, let's try.
Do you know what I need? I need like an old dog step. Miller's,
Here you go. I love the Dragon Humpers. Lady and Lil Cutie is what it looks like it says on there.
Oh, nice. Sorry,
Isn't that cool?
Sorry, boy, howdy, and duty.
Those were the names
We're
of the other
favorites.
characters. Yeah.
That's right. Certainly, Deb, can't you not wait for the all-female one? I think it's, no offense, but I think that female energy combined with Dungeons and Dragons is the best.
It's not bad. Lady and Lil especially is what the last word
especially.
is. Yeah, they're good, aren't they? Yeah, we'll see how the all lady ones goes. We'll see.
Do you want me to leave?
No, you can hang out. You know, I think I'm about ready to test. Let's see if we can get a build and everything's okay.
Oh my god, if this does not run smoothly, I'm going to freak out and in. I'm going to freak.
She's going to freak. So I didn't exclude Merkin and Willie. I just prefer the ladies. Yeah, I do too. I mean, I don't know why we're there, to be honest.
You're there because we're there.
You know, the guy who plays Willie Shaker is, I think he's so funny. Oh, we got some issues here. Update music players. Yeah, we're there for tech support. Crossfade player.
Oh, my puppy, it doesn't want to be without me.
Oh, yeah?
What, buddy?
Okay. So, I think we need to declare this. Is what I think we need to do. But not here. It's got to be in cross fade players or something. What was it? Crossfade player. Let's go declare this. Stick it at the end. So selection increase right arrow to get down to the bottom. Scroll up a little bit. Pop that in there. Okay. We need to do this now. What's going on? Oh, this is if you did this all the time, I'd be the most popular streamer in the world. In fact, so popular that Twitch would invoke new rules. No puppies allowed on the stream. No puppies allowed. But that would be so fun if this dog was just over my shoulder the whole time. Could we build like a back pouch, a backpack, shoulder pack for him?
Yes,
that just holds him in there.
On Amazon.
That he's just here the whole time. Would that be hilarious?
That would be hilarious.
I love it.
He loves you. Where's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
Yeah. Do you love your daddy a little bit? Just a little bit? You want to give me a kiss?
No, he wants to kiss me.
Yeah, he just wants to kiss mama. Yeah. Pudding says, oh my God, Pupper is so adorable. Is the puppy called Scorpion by any chance? No.
Goat. This is goat.
Kilt Codes has her cat tower next to the chair she codes from. Yeah. I think I saw that. I've not watched her show. Al Swigert has his cat cam on screen. That's fun. Yeah. It seems like a fun thing to do.
Look how cute he is.
Yeah, he's such a cutie. I think he would like maybe hanging out. And he would learn how to code too. Karen just bumped the desk and I went blue temporarily. Yeah.
So cute.
The only problem is if he was here and you walked in and then left, he'd be like, Mama, I want Mama.
What's your mama?
Yeah.
Little baby.
All right, so updated music players, we need to essentially iterate through all of these guys like this. We need code that looks a little bit like that. And then we need to call update player. We could just do this. Dot update player. Timestamp. I'm going to change this to now, I think, right here. So it's just going to update all of those. Did the puppy set something? No, I think it was Karen. She bumped the desk, and I turned blue. Why can't I get into here? Capnix reference is not working here. Why is that the case? I think I've got a coverage bug. Let's mark the issue. I can't do it. Things aren't loaded. I can't report the bug right now because things aren't loaded. So I'll see if I can reproduce this later when things are running. Okay, so overlays only is there. Let me clear out all of the every instance of Chrome. So we just did that. Was there any more in the error list? Why can't I call that? I don't understand why that's not working. What's my problem here? Selection increase left arrow to get to the top very quickly. Oh, that's my problem. Okay, cool. Oh no, sound got bad. Yeah, OBS is doing this. Check, I muted myself. Okay, there we go. So here's my test. Check, I muted myself. Okay, there we go. That all sounds good to me. See how it sounds over there. I think it still sounds bad. See what it sounds like here. We need to get this. Check it, check it, check it. Still sounds bad. Okay, so it's OBS. Yeah. Let's try to record a little bit. I've just hit the start recording button in OBS, and I'm going to see if the stream the recording that we stream out is good or bad. So stop recording. I forget where it puts those. I wonder if I could change this. Let's restart it. Hmm. Trying to figure out where that recording is. Not responding. Yeah, that I have tried that, and that's what solves the problem. Well, I'm going to do it now. I think you know, because it's going to be not a big deal to restart everything. I'm just going to do it now. Yeah, I could modify the sample rate. I really want to go up in frequency though. So to cancel, I'm going to stop the streaming.